California just made history, and big tech isn't too happy about it. No, it's not a new iPhone or a crazy Tesla update. It's something way bigger, a brand new law that could completely change how artificial intelligence develops in the future. California just passed the first state-level AI safety law. And whether you're coding your own AI, running a business, or just asking ChatGPT to write an essay for you, this law affects you. So let's talk about what happened, why it matters, and how it could shape the future of AI. The California Senate recently approved Senate Bill 53. At first glance, that sounds like boring legal talk. But here's what makes it huge. The law forces major AI companies like OpenAI, Google, Meta, Microsoft, and Anthropic to make their safety procedures public. And if something goes wrong, like their AI spreads false information, causes harm, or acts in an unexpected way, they have just 15 days to report it to the state. Imagine your favorite chatbot suddenly pretending to be your mom and texting you at midnight. That would count as a suspicious incident. With this new law, companies can't just cover it up anymore. They have to admit it happened. For big tech, it means more accountability. They can't just hide bugs or glitches. They'll need to be honest when things go wrong. For developers and startups, though, it could be stressful. More rules mean more paperwork, more reviews, and more costs. Big companies can afford legal teams to handle this, but small startups probably can't. And for everyday users like you, it might mean safer AI apps, less risk of dangerous tools sneaking onto your phone or weird AI behavior getting ignored. But there's a catch. More regulation could also slow down innovation. If smaller players can't keep up, then only the big corporations will dominate. So the law could actually help big tech in the long run. California often sets trends for the rest of the US. If this law sticks, other states could pass similar rules. And when the US makes laws about AI, the rest of the world pays attention. Think about Europe's GDPR privacy law, the one behind all those "accept cookies." It didn't just change Europe, it changed how websites everywhere handled privacy. This AI law could do the same for artificial intelligence. And that raises the big question: who should be making the rules for AI? Should governments take charge? Should companies regulate themselves? Or is there some middle ground? Not everyone is cheering for this law. Critics argue that laws can't keep up with how fast AI evolves. By the time lawmakers write one rule, the technology may already have changed. Others say regulation will create red tape, making it harder to innovate. And let's be honest, big companies are really good at finding loopholes. If anyone can work around the rules, it's them. We've already seen AI make some scary mistakes. Chatbots insulting users, deepfakes convincing people to send money, algorithms making decisions even the engineers can't explain. With issues like that, do we really want companies to police themselves? That's like asking a fox to guard the henhouse. So here's where things stand. California has set a new standard. Tech companies now have to be more transparent or face consequences. This could make AI safer for everyone, or it could backfire and just make the biggest corporations even stronger. We don't know yet, but one thing is clear. This is just the beginning. AI is moving faster than any technology we've seen, and lawmakers are racing to keep up. Whether you think regulation is the solution or the problem, one thing is certain. Things are about to get very interesting. So, what do you think? Should governments be in charge of AI rules? Or should innovators make their own guardrails? Share your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.